My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm. I have over 35 years experience working in the industry for clients around the world in just about every niche possible. Today I'd like to shed light on a topic that's reshaping productivity, generative AI. In this fast-paced world where businesses are constantly striving for efficiency and innovation, generative AI stands out as a game changer. So some of the main points. Understanding. Generative AI, powered by advanced machine learning models like GPT-3, has the remarkable ability to generate human-like text and content. It learns from vast data sets and can create everything from written articles to code, design, and even conversational agents. Then there's streamlining content creation. One of the most significant impacts of generative AI is the content creation. It can assist businesses in generating high-quality, relevant content at scale. This means faster blog posts, reports, and marketing materials, reducing the time and effort traditionally required for such tasks. Then there's enhancing creativity and innovation. Generative AI doesn't just mimic human work, it arguments it. It can suggest new ideas, designs, or even solutions to complex problems. By freeing up human resources from repetitive tasks, it allows employees to focus on creative and strategic aspects of their roles, driving innovation. Then there's personalization customer experiences. Businesses can use generative AI to personalize customer experiences at scale. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI can engage with customers, answer queries, and provide tailored recommendations. Then there's improving customer satisfaction. So at the end of the day, generative AI is a transformative tool that holds great potential for boosting business productivity. By automating routine tasks, simulating creativity, and personalizing customer interactions, it empowers businesses to operate more efficiently and effectively. So embracing this technology is not just about staying competitive, it's about reimagining the possibilities and unlocking new realms of productivity in the digital age. So that's just my food for thought. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I guarantee you through the years, I've done it all. Through my decades of working in the industry, I've learned a lot. I've learned from many mistakes, and I can help you put you in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me at 631-756-2486. You can also email me at PBaronowski@Pristine Advisors. That's PRISTINEADVISERS.com. You can also find out more about me on my website at pristineadvisors.com. You can also find out more about me on my other website at PBaronowski.com. Until next time, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, share this post with anybody you think would find it valuable, and don't forget to click the bell notification to find out about future videos.